Honorable Senators, please join me to now welcome the host senator, Senator for Nakuru, Senator Tabitha Karanja. Karibu.
The Speaker, the Majority Leader, the Chief Whip, the clerks, honorable members of the Senate, staff of Parliament, all protocols observed, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to this induction session, members of the 14th Parliament. 13th Parliament, sorry. Let me not forget to thank God for the wonderful day as I congratulate you all on your election. I'm also humbled by my appointment as the Deputy Majority Leader, Senate, and thankful to my party leader, His Excellency President William Ruto, for having faith in me. As we all are aware, we are here for this induction session to involve seeing us through the operations and procedures of the house that is geared towards equipping us with tools to effectively execute our mandate. The induction session should also enable us understand our role vis-a-vis that of the executive and the judiciary, as well as strategize on best the issues faced by our people, especially those that were occasioned by the COVID-19 pandemic. We expect also to get a true picture of the country's economic situation and the role we can play to address this. As a true representative of the people, as exposed in Article 1 of the Constitution, we expect to leave this forum with the best know-how on how the three functions of Parliament, that is, administration, oversight, representation. In addition, since we are at the forefront, Mwananchi at the grassroots requires the necessary information and the support from all of the sectors. Nakuru is a county of unlimited opportunities. It is the second largest in terms of contribution to the national GDP compared to the 47 as per reports of the KNBS, the leader in agriculture, a tourism destination with Nakuru and Naivasha leading. Nakuru is the latest city and the fourth in the county, a city that has a national park, lake, and the Menengai volcano, all inclusive. Enjoy every minute that you are here. And I welcome you all to visit a site, because we are known to have many tourist sites, especially here around Naivasha, before you go back to Nakuru, to your counties. It is important to mention that we have 3 large national parks that include Hell's Gate and Mount Longonot, which are key tourist attractions. Nakuru hosts of 6 lakes, Lake Naivasha, a resort town of Kenya, rich in fresh water, wildlife, sports, tourism, among others. Others include Ementaita, Solai, Creator Lake, and Oldeni. Nakuru is the geothermal county of Kenya. Approximately 45% of the national grid is fed from this clean energy. This adds to our attractions in Okalia, Menengai. And also, Naivasha, we know it holds the second largest brewery in this country. It uses the latest technology in brewing. So I welcome you also. Before you leave Naivasha, this induction, kindly visit the brewery, because you'll see what you only imagine. You see it in Europe, in other part of the world. So you're most welcome. Me having, me as an industrialist, I know I worked there. I give you the best experience that you can have in a visit in a brewery. Thank you. Finally, is to wish you all the best and to pray for the third Senate and fourth Parliament sessions as we embark on the duty. Thank you so much. Your host, Tabitha Keroche, and you're most welcome to this induction. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.